Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good afternoon to all. Friends, right now I came on live for sharing the one shocking incident was registered from the Rangareddy district. One inhuman and heinous and brutal murder was registered from the Ketereddipalli village and Boinabad, Chevela Mandal and Rangareddy district. Therefrom, the woman lawyer killed by kin over property. Brother and three others being questioned in police custody. Friends, who was the Swapna, who was the liar Swapna. She was a 34-year-old, and she allegedly killed and murdered by her brother and three others. Raju and Raju's associates. The four members they allegedly killed her, murdered her with the stone after they slit her throat with the knife. Friends, what is the behind the reason to the murder means which is the land over the land disputes. This one, friends, who are the parents of the Raju and the Swapna. They were already divided their land to the both. They have a 10 acres land. Who are the parents of the Swapna and Raju. They already which 10 acres land they divided. Raju's for the 6 acres and Swapna's for the 4 acres land they already divided. But which was the Swapna's land. She wanted to sell the 1 acre of land to the Darshan. That's why she went to the survey to the land. When that learning of that survey to the Raju, he rushly went to the land and with his associates, and he attacked on her with the stone and killed her. Then after she died on the spot. Yesterday around 9:30 a.m. the time she was died. Then after she was sent to the Usmania mortuary for the post-mortem. Then after she handed over to the family members. Friends, this is the main cause, main reason this murder. Only the land property disputes that led and Paudu. Friends, the which is that land, the Swapna's land also. Her brother he want her land. That land only give to me. Won't that sell that land. That land also mine only. Like that he frequently dispute with the Swapna. That Swapna, when she knew about her brother, then after she given the complaint, my brother always torturing me and he giving the trouble me. Like that she was given the complaint, but the police officials they filed the complaint, but they weren't given the any copy to the Swapna. Actually 2 times also attempt to murder also was happen on the Swapna. First one was the tractor, who was the tractor driver. He was hit to the Swapna's scooty. That the time she was got the some small injuries, and then she given the complaint. Someone's they wanted to kill me and they hit my scooty by the tractor, like that she given the complaint. When that complaint, the police officials, when they were interrogated to the tractor driver, he said that that one randomly happened. We hadn't any the personal enmity on the Swapna, like that he given. And the second time also, again the murder attempt to happen, with the car driver hit to the Swapna's scooty. Then after also she got some injuries. And second time also she given the complaint to the police officials at the Chevella. And the police officials filed the complaint, and they were interrogated to the who was the car driver. He also given the reply, and he also said that accidentally that happened. We hadn't any the personal animosity on her, like that they also given the reply. The two times attempt to murder was occurred. Who are the colleagues of the Swapna, the liars, they are urging, and they were took the protest about the Swapna's murder. Especially here, one of the cause behind the murder, one of the reason, also the police officials, they actually she was given the complaint, but who are the police officials, they filed the complaint, but they weren't given the any copy to the Swapna. And they hadn't taken the any the action toward the Raju, toward his behavior. That's also one of the reason, like that who are the liars, liar colleagues, they are also urging, and they are also taking the protest. Friends, who is the DCP from the Chevella, DCP, the Yogesh Gautam. He said we have been taken into the custody to them who are the accused persons, Raju and his associates. All are under the custody right now. We are being questioned them, like that they given the they confirmed, and they are proclaimed to us about the murder over the murder that was happened. Really I am very sad. I am urging to the police officials should be take the strict action and strict action and stringent action toward the who are the accused persons, and won't repeat for should be bid and should be tried. This is my humble request, and I am extending my condolence to the bereaved family member. Thank you. JV. And I am giving the suggestion to who are my friends and my sisters and brothers won't take such type of extreme step, and want to do such type of extreme step. What he got after that murder, he lost his own sister, and he went to the under the custody of the police. No one got the any result. Which result we got, we will got means that one is a jail life only. The rigorous imprisonment, jail life only we will face, and we will live with the rigorous jail life. That only we can got. That's why no one involved such type of issues and incidents. This is my humble request to everyone, and police officials should be take the stringent action for the won't repeat. This is my request to the police officials. Thank you. JV.